Welcome back to Smooth Auto Vibes, where style meets performance, and today, we're exploring a luxury SUV that's making waves with elegance and innovation, the 2025 Lincoln Corsair. If you're looking for an SUV that blends premium comfort with smart tech and a quiet, confident ride, then stay locked in. The Corsair might just be your next smooth upgrade. Now, let's talk design. The 2025 Lincoln Corsair continues the brand's signature, quiet flight, design language, and it looks as graceful as ever. The front fascia features a refreshed grille that's more refined, with a subtle 3D mesh pattern and an illuminated Lincoln emblem that adds a touch of sophistication. The headlights are slimmer and more sculpted this year, flowing seamlessly into the body lines. The overall look is clean, minimal, and upscale. It doesn't shout for attention, but it absolutely gets it. From the profile, the Corsair maintains its compact dimensions, making it perfect for urban life, but its smooth curves and chrome accents give it a bigger, more luxurious feel. The floating roof design, elegant character lines, and available 20-inch wheels add just the right amount of flair without going over the top. Around back, the LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, giving it a modern and unified rear-end look. It's not trying to look like a spaceship, it's just quietly stylish, and that's what Lincoln does best. Step inside, and it's clear the 2025 Corsair is focused on peace and precision. You're greeted with a cabin that feels like a high-end lounge, soft leather, real wood trim, and ambient lighting all around. Lincoln is sticking with its sanctuary theme, and it shows. The perfect position seats come with heating, ventilation, and up to 24-way adjustability, no joke. These seats don't just support you, they pamper you. Now for the tech. The 2025 Corsair features a stunning 13.2-inch center touchscreen paired with a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster. Everything is powered by Lincoln's latest Sync 4 system, giving you wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and cloud-based navigation. The layout is intuitive and responsive, and the graphics are crisp. You also get an available Revel audio system, which delivers deep, immersive sound, perfect for your smooth drives or late-night cruises. Under the hood, Lincoln gives you options. The base engine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder pushing out around 250 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's smooth, efficient, and confident on the road. But if you want something greener and more powerful, the Corsair Grand Touring offers a plug-in hybrid setup that combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors, giving you a total output of around 266 horsepower, plus the ability to drive on electric power alone for short city trips. Driving the Corsair is all about calm and control. Lincoln has tuned the suspension for comfort, so you glide over bumps and cracks with ease. The cabin is whisper quiet, thanks to active noise control and acoustic glass. This SUV doesn't want to race, it wants to relax. And with available Lincoln Blue Cruise, you can even enjoy hands-free driving on compatible highways, taking stress out of long commutes. Safety, as expected, is top tier. The Corsair comes loaded with Lincoln Copilot 360, a suite of features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and automatic emergency braking. It's always watching, so you don't have to stress. As for pricing, the 2025 Corsair starts around $40,000, with the Grand Touring PHEV trim reaching into the mid-$50,000 range depending on options. It's not trying to compete with the loud and flashy, it's here for those who appreciate subtle luxury, smart tech, and a drive that calms you down instead of hyping you up. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Lincoln Corsair. If you're into SUVs that ride smooth, look sharp, and treat you like royalty, this one's worth a test drive. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Smooth Auto Vibes, and drop a comment below. Is the Corsair the luxury SUV you've been waiting for, or do you prefer something sportier? Until next time, drive smooth, ride smart.